Purple Martini. Messing with Nola B. Boy, just did his thing on the stage. Were you a little nervous up there, man?
Yeah, a little nervous, but I gotta get over it. You already know what it is.
That's how you gonna get your stride, bitch. You just gotta get up in there and be smooth about it. That's what's up, that's what's up. So how long you been performing, man?
Performing for 5 years. I've been rapping for 5 years. I just started performing though.
Oh yeah, so where you rapping in?
Yeah, I've been rapping. I'm inspired by Run DMC, but I've been doing it for 5 years straight.
No, I asked you where you rapping, where you coming from?
I come from New Orleans, but I represent H-Town, you heard me?
That's what's up. You wanna put that little know you clap up in there for the HIC. I'm trying to rub it in on them. That's what's up, that's what's up. So let me ask you then, where we can find you if we want to do something else with you?
You can find me on MySpace, the collab08 at yahoo.com. That's the collab08 at yahoo.com. Or you can hit me up 281-226-2595.
Yeah, like we say, PKP Productions, repping it up here at the Purple Martini. Every Thursday night is going downtown tonight. You give them fire, they let you shine. You can't be mad at that. Don't have to step your step up on some things, man. Come out here and show us what you got. You know we always looking. We always looking. All right, y'all have love.
What it do is Nola B represent collab and see I hold it down for New Orleans and H-Town. Much love. Support me, the collab08 at yahoo.com. That's the collab08 at yahoo.com. Y'all support me. 2010 my year. PKP Production.
That's right, PKP Production. Man, get that internet. Everybody working it out on that, I see. That's what's up. That's what's up.